the foreign direct investment, that is FDI, has played a crucial role in enhancing the financial health of telecom companies in India. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Foreign direct investment has provided telecom companies with the much needed capital to invest in expanding their networks and upgrading infrastructure. This financial boost has enabled companies to enhance their service offerings and reach underserved areas. With increased funds, telecom companies have been able to expand their network coverage, ensuring better connectivity across urban and rural regions. This expansion has also facilitated the deployment of advanced technologies such as 4G and the rollout of 5G networks. Investments from foreign entities have supported the development of robust telecom infrastructure, including the establishment of new cell towers, fiber optic networks, and data centers. This has improved the overall quality and reliability of telecom services. It brings significant benefits to Indian consumers, including enhanced network coverage and infrastructure that have resulted in better connectivity for consumers, reducing call drops and improving internet speeds. This has been particularly beneficial in rural and remote areas. The expansion of telecom networks has increased market reach, allowing more consumers to access telecom services. This has also driven digital inclusion, enabling more people to connect to the internet and access digital services. The infusion of FDI has intensified competition among telecom operators, leading to more competitive pricing for consumers. This has resulted in more affordable mobile and internet plans, benefiting a large segment of the population. With better financial health, telecom companies can invest in customer service improvements and innovative offerings, providing a superior experience to their customers. This has led to improved connectivity, wider market reach, and more competitive pricing, ultimately benefiting Indian consumers. The continued flow of FDI into the sector promises further advancements and enhancements, contributing to the overall growth and digital transformation of the country. Let's look into today's headlines. Amazon is reportedly acquiring Axio in all cash deal. After Mvantage, e-commerce major Amazon is apparently making its second acquisition in the Indian fintech space. The company is reportedly in advanced discussions to acquire online lending platform Axio, formerly Capital Float. This would be the second acquisition by Amazon this year. It had acquired MX Player's assets in May to scale its mini TV offerings in India. Amazon is already an investor in Axio, which participated in its rupees 144 crore worth extended Series C round in 2018. Microsoft suffers another outage caused by a cyber attack. Microsoft products, including email service, Outlook, and video game Minecraft, were affected by yet another global outage. In an update, the company said that the outage has been resolved and preliminary investigations show the outage was caused by a cyber attack and a failure to defend against the same. The outage lasted almost 10 hours. It eventually caused thousands of users to report issues with Microsoft services. Apple objects to Tata Group's plan to acquire stake in Vivo India. Tata Group's efforts to purchase a majority stake in Vivo's India business has encountered hurdles due to objections from Apple. Vivo has reported a revenue of rupees 30,000 crore of FY23 and was planning to sell a 51% stake in its Indian subsidiary to the Tata Group. This move was part of Vivo's strategy to Indianize its operations amid government pressure. However, Tata's partner Apple was against the deal. Google Photos working on Show More option for faces in memories. Google Photos is reportedly working on a new option which will let users have control over faces they see in memories for personalized experience. The tech giant is testing the Show More option for faces visible in memories in the Photos app. By using this option, users will have a choice to see more of a particular face in auto-generated memories feed. Infosys gets GST demand for alleged tax evasion of rupees 32,000 crore. India's second largest IT company Infosys has received a demand for alleged tax evasion of over rupees 32,000 crore from the Directorate General of GST Intelligence. The document further says that Infosys was including the expenses incurred towards overseas branches as part of their export invoice from India. Infosys, however, said in the filing that it has paid all its GST dues and is fully in compliance with the central and state regulations. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.